Hello guys, this is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com. I have a very awesome news to share with you. I'm currently working on a new course related to Salesforce Development. This course is designed for intermediate developers. So if you are already familiar with the basics of programming, object-oriented concepts, and you wanted to go into Salesforce Development, then this course is for you. This course covers some advanced topics like asynchronous Apex, future methods, REST web services, and also integration. But if there is any topic in your mind that you want me to cover in this course which you are struggling with, then please let me know in the comment section of the video, and I will definitely add that lecture to this upcoming course. So if you can be very specific to what you are looking for in that lecture, that will really help me, and I will definitely prepare a good video lecture related to that particular topic. So if you are struggling with anything related to Apex development, please let me know and comment on this video. That way it'll help me to understand what you're looking for, and I wanted to prepare a course that can help you in your career. Thank you so much and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye. Take care.